Hi, my name is Holly Bullock and I am brand ambassador for NXT Hair. Today we are in my salon recreating my interpretation of the 2024 NXT campaign shoot. My model today is the lovely Lorna and we will be recreating a beautiful red and copper multi-tonal look. To start with, we are going to section Lorna's hair into the basic quadrant sections. So I'm going to take my first section from the crown down to the ear and bring that first side forward. And then my second section will be the same from the top of the head down behind the next ear. And then my final sectioning will be just straight down the middle of the head to create two sections at the back. Here I am mixing up the NXT Mesh Lightning System. I chose to use the Mesh Lightning System because its cream consistency makes it perfect for this style of application. When mixing, I'm mixing 30 grams of the cream with 50 grams of the powder and 60 grams of 40 Volt Developer. The Mesh Lightning System is a powerful yet gentle product that gives up to 5 levels of lift, so it's perfect as we're only looking for a little bit lighter. The Mesh Lightning System has a lower ammonia content compared to a standard bleach, meaning there's absolutely no compromise on integrity. So I'm just going to take my first section from the back of the head, around 1 inch thick, and on this section I'm going to be applying my Mesh Lightning System in a V shape just onto this section. So once the back section's been applied, I am starting to work on the side sections. So I'll be doing a similar style of sectioning and application. However, I will ever so slightly feather the product a little bit higher towards the face to replicate a natural sun-kissed glow. So I have chosen to mix up the NXT Permanent Colour range for my regrowth, so I have 100% grey coverage and longevity. My formula today is 30 grams of 7-4, 15 grams of 7-3-4, 15 grams of 766 mixed with 60 grams of 20 Vol. I've chosen this combination of colours so we have the predominant tone of copper with underlaying tones of golden and red. Now the foils are all applied, I've just mixed up my regrowth colour. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply this regrowth colour all over the hair, starting with the roots first as we need a bit of grey coverage, and then I'm going to pull it down into the ends between the foils, just where the colour has slightly faded. And my top tip is to use a tangle brush just to bring that product down right the way through and to make sure that it is evenly saturated throughout the sections. So now all of the colour is applied, I'm going to leave Lorna to develop for 30 to 40 minutes. I'm just going to check it regularly and then I will check back in when it's ready to wash. After allowing my colour to fully process, it is time to wash it off. So I take my client over to the basin and I shampoo and condition using the IQ shampoo and conditioner. This is our finished result. As you can see, the roots are nice and refreshed, a lot brighter, and 100% greys are covered. You can see these little pops of lightness through the ends that we created using the Mesh Lightning System, and then also some ribbons of a darker dimension from when we pulled the colour down into the ends. I am so pleased with the finished results, and I love the natural sun-kissed multi-tonal look.